Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert, and today I am bringing you to just an unboxing at the end of the day. We're going to slowly pan around and yeah, you can see everything behind. We've got quite a couple of pieces today to actually unbox and go through because I've been holding on to some things for like a week or so, some things for like 2 or 3, other things for like 6 or 7 weeks. So yeah, there are also 2 things that were sent to me which we're just going to open as the first things, which I will thank the people for when I get to that in a minute. But yeah, there's not really much more to say in the end. I really wish that I could get more things to like hold on to then do unboxings, that I could have like 1 or 2 a week with ease. But yeah, I don't really want to just be opening 1 or 2 things like I did for like prior Supreme seasons, where I did like an unboxing per week near enough when I went for like a single item. It really just didn't fulfill me doing that. So yeah, but anyway, we've got a lot of items as per norm. Let me know down below if anything's arrived for you recently. If anything's arrived for you recently, whether it's for the personal, whether you're going to be stocking, rocking or reselling it, and whether your Supreme items arrived as well from the first week, because I know a lot of people's had their orders set for Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So yeah, let's just get straight into this. Okay, so yeah, we've got a lot to unbox in the end, but I'm going to start off with these 2 that are just here. I'm going to move everything else out of the way and then we'll go through it one by one, and yeah, that's about it. I'm trying to think if I've forgotten anything to bring in here, but I don't think I have, but I feel like I have, you know, like that sort of feeling where I think that I've forgotten something to unbox, but I don't think that I have in the end. But yeah, let's get into this. So I'm going to start off with this one that was sent to me by somebody called Hannah. Now this was sent to me just around 6, coming up to 7 weeks ago, and I apologise for not unboxing it sooner. It's just that I wanted other things to have alongside just to go with it in the end, and obviously I didn't have anything. So yeah, as a general thing, just thank you, Hannah, and we're going to open this. Can I actually open something in like one? There we go. I actually forgot to send my last name as well, so that doesn't help either when you're sending something, just to put a first name. But yeah, let's open this up. Try not to show my dress, which is nice and difficult, so let's get this first. Thank you for the little note as well. I don't know whether I'll keep it as my thing, but yeah, thank you for that, and I'll put your 2 ats on screen. But yes, thank you for that, and yeah, thank you for the note. Let's just get this out anyway. I haven't seen this, by the way. It's meant to just be, oh god, I don't want to damage it. It's meant to be a poster in the end. So let's take this out. You look first, which I think is like that. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Yeah, look, I'm sorry that it waited this long to be seen, but there you go. I like that. It's cool. That's cool little artwork. Reminds me of those aliens that people have, the ones that they buy that like 200 or 300 pounds. They're just like a massive alien that they have. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get this so that it can lie flat in the end, or I might put it back in until I can just put it into like a frame or something. But yeah, thank you for that, Hannah. Next up is going to be from Browser, or specifically Peacocks. He normally sends out the stickers, or does a giveaway of stickers each month for their like logo. And a little bit ago he sent me some stickers, which I'm not including this, or I'm not including this, but it's just nice. It's just the way that I'm going to put it, so I really do appreciate it. And Browser, you've got a good one. Oh, what's this he said? He sent me Pokemon cards. Oh, he sent me a load of stuff. Peacocks, you need to calm down. Oh, this is great. Okay. So stickers first and foremost, we've got the Valentine's Day and then Supreme one. I've literally got nearly all of their like stickers in the end. Then we've just got the miniature variations of those 2 and a different one which is like a half and half with like code going over it almost. And then we've got some Pokemon cards. So we've got Shuckle, we've got Delmise, yeah, or Delmise, however you pronounce it, Sandile, and then Lucario. Lucario is actually one of my favourite, or I just love the character design, the artwork. But yeah, thank you for those. I haven't had Pokemon cards in so long. I recently had, or I picked up like the recent Shining Fates, but I literally my friend is going to be opening a load of them, so I ended up just selling mine to him. And yeah, I really do want to open some, but I really want to see if I've got my older ones anywhere, because I know that I had Pokemon cards because I used to go to like my grandparents and get the little stacking plastic ones that you knock someone else's stack over and then you win theirs type of thing. I used to get those. I used to get normal cards, so I don't know where the normal cards are though. So yeah, anyway, next item is going to be Supreme in the end, which has sat around for a little bit of time. I don't remember what colourway or what this even looks like in the end, but let's just crack it open because it's sat here since last season. So yeah, this is going to be, what beanie is this? It's going to be the Loose Gorge beanie from last season. So there you go, in the aqua colourway, and yeah, I'm probably not going to keep this at the end of the day, but it is a nice beanie. But yeah, there's that. Any stickers or anything? Oh, of course. Oh, what's better than a Ben box logo sticker? One that's got a nice cut on it, or as you can see, a nice little break on it. So that's, I appreciate that, Supreme. So yeah. Right, next up is going to be Palace, and obviously my Palace cart was a pretty good one for once actually. Oh, there's another sticker in here I've just forgotten. Larger version of that one, but there. This was left out in the mud, which is great. So I'm trying not to get myself dirty while I just make it so I can open this out, just like this. There we go. So obviously this is my Palace spring order. So first piece is going to be the Alice Cooper, Palace Cooper graphic. It's not sold out. I don't think it's going to sell out in the end, but it was just a piece that I wanted to pick up because the graphic pieces I've been trying to get like a collection of at least 10 of together. I think I'm on 5 or 6 now, so I'd like to have 10 by the end of the year, and yeah, that's just my goal. So it's just another one to add into that because I think it'd be nice to have that many. Next up, we should have the stickers as well as the like air freshener. There they are. So we've got the Rose air freshener, which is, you know, nice and simple at the end of the day. And then we've got the sticker pack, which I said to someone the other day, I should have started picking or collecting sticker packs a lot sooner from Palace, because my first like cop or time that I went on the website was about the same time that I went on to Supreme, maybe even a bit sooner, but I just didn't buy anything from them at the time, and yeah, I sort of regret doing that. But here we have all of the Palace stickers for this season. I like this one, I like that graphic, and yeah, we've then got the Gatorade one, or Powerade, I'm pretty sure it's Gatorade, and a couple of their others. But yeah, like I said, I wish I started getting them sooner, but it's just my error at the end of the day for not doing that, because they are cool, just a quick little thing in your cart, and yeah, you can just collect them with ease overall. So yeah, now we move on to the last Palace piece, which this I'm not going to keep because basically I had in mind that these could have been for a family member to use and to have. But then I realised that I've never actually seen their records out and being used. So, you know, it's a really nice piece in the end for the slip mat to have the yin yang. So yeah, I do think that anything with like yin yang on it is really nice and really clean. But yeah, that's just my personal opinion because I do just like yin yang sort of designs. But anyway, next item. Now this one, you may or may not believe it, is actually a raffle win. I know, amazing. This is from BSTN, who, funnily enough, I won my first like raffle of the year last year with them, and I win my first one of this year with them, so I find that quite cool. It wasn't exactly for the pair that I wanted. That's loud. Because I'm not too much of a fan of the colourway, I will be honest in saying, but at the same time, a win is a win, and yeah, it was only like £5, £10 or so above the normal retail, which, if you don't know, when you normally order from a European site, retails can range anywhere from like £5 or £10 above, sometimes £5 or £10 below, or like £40 above, and I've been hit with the £40 above one before, and it's not nice. But yeah, let's take a look at these. These ones haven't really gone down too well with people, but I think that they're still nice in the end if I can get them out safely. But yeah, these are going to be, once I turn the box, the Dunk High Dark Russet, or Prime Russet, or Russet in general. And yeah, they are in my size, I will say. See, that's the thing. It then makes me like them when I see something like this in hand. Seems like someone's like eaten and left all their drops. That is a mark and a half as well. Unless that's just how the suede's meant to be. But yeah, I always say that like I'm not too much of a fan of something, that I see it in hand and my opinions change. But the issue is, I really don't, like genuinely don't have anything for this colorway. I was about to say I have Timberlands, but how would I wear them and these at the same time? But yeah, I just wish that it was a different colorway, or maybe if it was grey with this charcoal black would be great. But yeah, I do think that they are really nice, but I genuinely don't have anything that would match them. But they are actually so much better than I expected. They're really nice in hand. I don't know why their price isn't doing too well. The suede is nice. Some of the colouring is a little off, but at the same time, like, they're really nice. But yeah, I wish that I had hit the medium curries, because I entered a lot more raffles for those, but oh well. Speaking of raffles, I will have my video out tomorrow going over raffles, or raffle related, which is very late. I was meant to upload it about 3 weeks ago, or maybe longer than that. But yeah, this is going to be the final item though. I hope that the box is fine, because that is not fine, typical. Because it's always my luck that when I win a raffle for something, I just get a damaged box. Like, I win it from the places that never ship, you know, safely in the end. They always ship it in a bag. Oh, this is horrendous as well. So this is obviously not for me in the end, or I'm not going to be wearing them because it's not my size, as you can judge by the box. For some reason they put tape. I don't understand this. Why is there tape on it? Like is this meant to be some form of protection for the box? Because it's not going to work out in my opinion. But yeah, this is definitely just going to be a damaged box, or sold as like a damaged box, because that's what it... Oh, okay, yeah, now I see why you need the tape, because the lid's just going to drop straight off. But this is going to be the Dunks that were recently released, being the Pearl Orange Dunks, and yeah, or Sail Orange, or whatever you want to call them. They are really nice. The colourway's nice. It's a lot, actually, like, can I get it to focus? It's a lot more pink in person than the orangey sort of tone online. That inside's actually a lot cooler than I imagined it would be. Looks nice, it adds to it, if I can go, like, you can see that. But yeah, they're a lot nicer. That's a terrible word. They're a lot better in hand than I was expecting, to be honest. I tried, when I normally enter for these, I normally enter like basically every raffle in my size, and then 3 or 4 in smaller sizes. This is one of the smaller size entries, and yeah, fortunately we did win, but unfortunately, because it's from a specific place that ships in bags, we've got this issue with the box, which is nice. But yeah, I like them. They're probably going to be like a summer type of pair, but at the end of the day, I might just end up doing a clear out quite soon, purely because I just want to clear a load of things out. But I'll see what decision I make in the end. But that is going to cover this video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, a like would be much appreciated. Other than that, comment down below whether you've picked up anything recently, or whether you have any personals like I said, or whether you're going to clear out like me and get rid of a load of things, because out of this, I'm probably going to get rid of 3, maybe 4 in the end, and keep the rest. So yeah. But that's going to cover it. So thank you for watching. I hope that you have a good day. I'll see you all next time, being tomorrow obviously, but yeah, I'll see you all next time. Again, thank you to Peacocks and Hannah, I really do appreciate it, and yeah, I'll see you all next time. Peace.